Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I will demonstrate to you how one can schedule an online class. Visit scoutlive.in and sign up if you haven't already. In case you have already signed up, sign in with your registered phone number and password. Click on Send Invites to invite student to the class. Select the class and division for which you want to invite the students. On entering the email ID of student, you will be sending them an email with an invite to the class. After they have accepted it, they will be listed over here. Now you have to go back to the dashboard and click on Schedule Now to conduct an online class. Enter the mandatory details for the class that you are going to schedule, like subject, say math, description. This is optional, you can skip it, but I'm going to give one fun description. Select class and the respective division that you want the class to be conducted. Find a time slot that is convenient to you and fill it in here. Let's say I want my class to be conducted on 22nd of May at 12:10 in the noon, and the duration of my class being 30 minutes. That's sufficient. And click on Submit. Teachers can find the list of all the classes that have been conducted. Click on Previous Classes to view the history of the classes that have been conducted. Now, two things that are good to know for a teacher. Firstly, a teacher can activate his class 5 minutes prior to the scheduled time. Second one, the email that is sent to a student by a teacher when he actually schedules the class. The screenshot that you can see on the screen is example of one such email. That's it. Until next time, thank you.